How to fix slow internet in Windows 11. So if your internet is lagging, it keeps disconnecting, or it's just running slowly, I'm going to show you a few ways to speed up your internet connection. Now the first thing you'll need to do is open up the Start menu on your computer. You'll then need to type in CMD and then right-click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Now from this window, go and type in ping space 8.8.8.8 and press enter. You'll then need to type in ping space 1.1.1.1 and press enter. Now once you've ran these two tests, you'll get two different numbers. So what you need to do is find out which number is fastest for your internet connection. So if you come down to average, you'll see the average speed for this number. So for the top one, my average is 41 milliseconds. And then for the one below, my average is 13 milliseconds. So this bottom one, 1.1.1, is quicker for me, but for you, it could be 8.8.8. So you just need to take a note of this and then minimize out of this window. Now open up your Start menu again, search for Control Panel and then click on this window. Next to View By, click on the drop down arrow and select Category, click on Network and Internet, and click on Network and Sharing Center. Now select Change Adapter Settings, and then right click on your Wi-Fi connection and press Properties. Now click on Internet Protocol version 4 and select Properties. And then click on Use the following DNS server addresses. Now from these two boxes, you need to go and type in the following numbers. So the first set of numbers are 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Now you'll need to use this set of numbers if your ping 8.8.8 was the quickest when you ran this test. Now if 1.1.1 was quicker, then what you'll need to do instead is type in 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1 and press OK. You could then close out of this window and check to see if your internet is now faster. If you're still having an issue, then right-click on your Wi-Fi again and press Properties. Now click on Configure and click on Advanced. You then need to come down to Preferred Band, and we're going to change this to 5G first. You can then go and press OK. Now come down to your Wi-Fi and just make sure it's still working. If your Wi-Fi has stopped working, you'll need to come back over to this window, and you can just change the preferred band to no preference instead. Now once you've followed all of these steps, the final solution is to open up your Start menu, search for CMD, and then right-click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. You then just need to type in ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. Once you've done this, you can close out of this window. You'll then need to restart your computer, and your internet speed should now be much faster.